Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your phone supports always on display and that battery saver isn't blocking it. Once done, unlock the device and open settings, then go to lock screen or display and choose always on display. Tap clock style or AOD customization to enter the clock editor. You're taking the first actionable step now because color options only appear inside the clock editor. Make sure you see a color selector, presets, or a custom option before moving on. Now you'll choose the actual color and fine-tune why it matters, readability and power use. Select a preset if you want a quick change, or open the color picker to adjust hue, saturation, and opacity. This controls visibility on dark backgrounds. If the interface accepts hex codes, enter 1 for precise results. Make sure to check contrast against your wallpaper because low contrast forces the display to boost brightness. Once set, preview the clock to confirm the chosen color looks correct in ambient light. Finish by tapping save or apply so the new color sticks. Then lock your phone and check the always on display to confirm the clock changed. If you don't see the update, toggle AOD off and on or restart the device, because temporary glitches often resolve that way. Make sure battery saver, system themes, or third-party lock screen apps aren't overriding your setting, and install any pending updates if the option is missing. One tip: clear the clock or system UI cache before more invasive.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.